We are now seeing section 3, speed and agility drills. So basically agility. Agility is key for rugby players, that's what we are talking about. They need to be able to stop, change direction and sprint at any point. So adding agility drills to your training is paramount. Training with foot speed ladders, hurdles and cones all help with improving foot and hand-eye coordination, balance and coordination. The agility exercises use a variety of different movement drills, all of which are performed fatigue-free to allow for effective practice of the technique. The agility training methodology is separated into different types of movements, which have varying degrees of complexity. Stuart, we are now going to see the 40-yard sprint, which is directly related to speed and agility drills. So, 40-yard sprint. Stand on the baseline, stand in a get-set position. Angle of the chin will dictate the direction you are going to propel you forwards. One hand on your hip, crawling position. Full extension and force from your front leg. Push your force backwards to propel you forwards. Arms are going to rip and split. Shoot up and perform the exercise. Only one direction. So, perform 4 to 8 reps of 20 to 40 yards. Alternating drive legs with each rep. The walk back to the start line should be sufficient rest time between reps. So, throwing the rugby ball and coordination are required here. The 4-yard. Stuart. Hello Stuart, once again. So we are now going to see the 20-yard double shuttle run. 20-yard double shuttle run. So procedure. 3 marker cones are placed along a line 5 yards apart. The player straddles the middle line and puts one hand down in a 3-point stance. The player can start by going either to the right or left direction. For example, on the signal go, the player trains and runs 5 yards to the right side and touches the line with his right hand. He then runs 10 yards to his left and touches the other line with his left hand. Then finally turns and finishes by running back through the start-finish line. The player is required to touch the line in each turn. Shuttle run is a dynamic exercise that targets the quads, the quadriceps, the hamstrings, the gluteus muscles and the calves. Use shuttle run to burn faster and to lean tone your body. This is a popular training technique for sports which involves short bursts of speed to help develop your acceleration and to help develop your anaerobic fitness. Is that understood, Stuart?
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you, Stuart. This is also called the Pro Agility Shuttle or the 5-10-5 shuttle, as it involves running back to 5 yards, back 10 yards, and also back again 5 yards. Do 5 we have already seen, but just for let you know, that you should do 5 reps on each side for 3 to 5 sets, resting between each set. Like we have seen, once again, explosion, speed, coordination and agility are required here. Another important aspect is that your torso rotates, therefore your core is engaged. Okay? Thank you, Stuart. We are going to see now jump box drills. This is also related to agility. So pretending you have a box there in front of you, jump on and off the ground with both feet. Track your bent knees over your toes. Land with your feet flat, at least hip distance apart, with bent knees in a squat position. Use your arms to propel you up, to lift you off the ground. And brace your core. This is the most important step. Please still. So there's an imagery, there's an imagery box here, and Stuart now is going to perform the exercise by jumping into the box. Thank you. Just to let you know, to build power with box jumps, aim for 1 to 3 sets, or 3 to 5 reps, 3 to 5 reps, using as high a box as you can jump, but without sacrificing your good form. Try jumping up and down continuously for 5 minutes, maintaining good form throughout. This particular exercise is also meant for short bursts of intensity. Therefore, creates power anaerobic. Raw power, once again.